Let us show you what we've been working on for the last 10 years. We've been developing a chair that will work out the entire body. We've studied everything: treadmills, exercise bikes, recliners, compression chairs, massage chairs, and every chair we can get our hands on. In the past decade, we've tested every motor we could find, made countless motherboards, improved every type of back roller on the market. We engineered over 75 different prototypes. Let us show you what Stanford, Yale, and Princeton doctors are calling a medical breakthrough. This is the Breakthrough 8, the world's first 4-in-1. An exercise chair, the perfect recliner, the ultimate bed, and the most relaxing massage chair ever made. This is an exercise machine. It will squeeze almost every inch of your body and keep your blood flowing just like a workout. Traditional recliners only adjust to a few angles. This is the perfect recliner. It reclines to any angle, keeping your back perfectly aligned. It's also the ultimate bed. With our zero-gravity sleep system, you will fall asleep in a matter of minutes. Finally, what if you had a massage waiting for you when you get home? Luckily, the Breakthrough 8 is like having 6 massage therapists giving you the most relaxing massage you've ever experienced. Go to medicalbreakthrough.org to see how many doctors, chiropractors, physical therapists, massage therapists, and even surgeons are calling it a medical breakthrough. It's so good that even Google and the Pentagon bought our chairs. Try it in your home for 7 days. For only $150 a month, you can get an exercise chair that will work out almost every inch of your body, and a massage chair that will give you a relaxing massage whenever you want. It's time for a medical breakthrough.